Okay, what we have here is the Kingsman ZRB46. We're on natural gas. This is the electronic ignition version. And the options that you see here is the narrow stainless steel trim kit, the porcelain liners, and we did add the cannonball option. You can see those inside the Fireplace too. Other than that, this is a stock unit with 8 feet of vertical vent, a 90-degree elbow, a horizontal cap, and that is the options you see here. The suggested retail on this package with all the options comes to $36.45 if I did my math correctly. So that is extremely aggressive to compete in this segment for as nice looking as this unit is and the good looking flame. This is a nice looking package, and it's several thousand under most of the competing products at that category. I'll turn to the side here, look behind the wall. There's just a little display wall here at our showroom, and there you go, there's the sheet metal box behind, vertical vent going up in the attic. There you go. I think it's an extremely aggressive package, nice looking unit. Should do very, very well in this category.